In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books, a crucial skill for managing your business finances effectively using this comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the dashboard in your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard is your central hub, presenting a snapshot of your business's financial health at a glance. But to dive deeper into specific financial details, you'll need to access the report section, which acts as your doorway to a myriad of detailed financial insights and metrics. So from the dashboard, move over to the left side menu and click on Reports. This will take you to a new page where all the report types available in Zoho Books are listed. You'll notice this area is designed to streamline your report generation, offering you a clean, organized interface with various categories such as sales, purchases, inventory, and more. Each category houses specific reports that can help you analyze your financial activities in detail. Now, let's say you have a particular report in mind, perhaps a profit and loss statement or an invoice details report. All you have to do is select the report you want from this list. This selection process is straightforward and allows you to tailor the data view according to what aspects of your business you're focusing on right now. Once you've chosen your desired report, it's time to refine the data even further by applying filters. Filters are a powerful feature that let you view data specific to customer segments, products, or projects, ensuring the insights you gain are relevant and actionable. Filtering options can often be found at the top of the report page, where you'll see different fields to narrow down the information based on your criteria. After filtering, the next step is to select the date range for your report. You can customize this range to suit your needs, perhaps looking at monthly sales for a review or an annual summary for a broader overview. This range selection helps you stay focused on the time periods that relate directly to your current business analysis goals. Following the date setup, you're then prompted to choose the report basis. Zoho Books offers both cash-based and accrual-based reporting options. Your choice here depends on your accounting method: cash for those who record transactions upon payment, and accrual for those who account for transactions as they occur, regardless of cash flow. Once all these settings are in place, all that's left is to click on Run Report. This action generates your report immediately, presenting you with the detailed analytics you need. With your report now live, evaluate the insights, print it out, or download it to share with your financial team. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to finding and running reports in Zoho Books. Applying these steps will help you leverage Zoho Books more efficiently, giving you a clearer view of your business's financial health and aiding in strategic decision-making. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.